Lots of love, my angels, my happy angels. Hope you're all doing well. Got an unboxing. So let's just get straight into it. I'm LashGo. I'm excited. Yeah. Let's do this. I hope you all are having a lovely day, and hope you all are keeping positive, because I don't like negative energy on my station. Don't like trolls. Life's too short to be unhappy. What is it? It's from eBay. Little brown paper bag. And we've got two. And Alfa Romeo 86. I don't remember getting this one. I think he's put it in for a free one, because I've brought things off him before. But there's the front of it. Doesn't really want to focus. Side of it, back of it, underneath, top. It's got good decals on it. And it's got metallic orangey paint. Can't really see it, guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's glittery, shiny. I think that's a free one, if it is. Thank you, I really appreciate it, I really do. From the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate people throwing in free stuff. Right, next one. Yeah, it's my Bugatti Veyron. Got another Bugatti Veyron. My Bugatti Veyron. Front, side, the back. I don't know what's wrong with the camera today. Just doesn't want to focus. But yeah, it's got good back decals. Little exhaust on it. Underneath, top. This is a Hot Wheels one. 2002. I don't know what the difference is with the steering wheel being on one side or the steering wheel being in the middle, but Don't need this sticker on there. Take that sticker off. But yeah, my Bugatti and my Alfa. There they are there. We'll have a proper look in it in a minute. Both got nice wheels on them too. And there they are there. The two that I just unboxed. That is such a pretty car. And that's my freebie. That one. Send the love, mate. Send the love. Thank you very much. Really, really appreciate it. I'm very happy that you sent me a freebie. You might be able to see the decals better now. Yeah, there you go. That one's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. There you go, you can see it now. Metallic. Very pretty. Yeah, it's a bit dirty, but I can most probably get that off. It's free, so I'm not complaining. Alright guys. Alright guys, so don't forget. Put positive, not negative, energy. Be happy, alright? Be cheerful. And go for your goals. Alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing of my Bugatti Veyron. My Bugatti Veyron. And my freebie. And my freebie. Alright guys, remember to do certain things. If you're new to my channel, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Also, please keep watching. View my videos. Leave a like, please. If you view my videos, just leave a like as well. It's not that hard. The thumb, the blue thumb. The like. Subscribe. I'm LashGo. So please guys, like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you know I've uploaded a new video. Comment down below so I know that you've passed by. And to say hi. Excuse me. Alright guys, I'm LashGo. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Bye. Peace.